Unveiling the Secrets of Lighting Efficiency. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and very useful topic, especially for those of you interested in sustainability and technology. Lighting efficiency. It's a term you might have heard about, but what does it really mean? Let's explore this together and shine some light on the importance of efficient lighting. Lighting efficiency refers to the amount of light produced by a lighting source compared to the amount of energy it consumes. It's all about getting the maximum brightness with the minimum energy use. Imagine you have two lamps. One lights up a room brightly but uses a lot of electricity, while the other produces the same amount of light but uses much less electricity. The second lamp is considered more efficient. Efficiency is usually measured in lumens per watt. The higher this number, the more efficient the light source is. Lighting efficiency is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps save energy, which is good for the environment and reduces electricity bills. Secondly, efficient lighting can reduce the demand on power plants and decrease greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to the fight against climate change. Lastly, efficient lighting technologies, like LED lights, tend to have a longer lifespan, reducing waste and the need for frequent replacements. Improving lighting efficiency isn't just about choosing the right bulbs. Here are some practical tips. 1. Switch to LED bulbs. They are far more efficient than traditional incandescent bulbs and even more efficient than compact fluorescent lamps, CFLs. 2. Utilize natural light. Arrange your workspace or home to maximize the use of daylight. It's free and highly efficient. 3. Install dimmer switches. They allow you to adjust the light level to just what you need, saving energy when full brightness isn't necessary. 4. Regular maintenance. Keep your lighting fixtures clean, as dirt can absorb light, reducing the efficiency of your lighting. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of lighting efficiency for you. It's a small change that can lead to big benefits, both for your wallet and the planet. As we move towards more sustainable living practices, understanding and implementing efficient lighting is a bright step forward. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. See you in our next video.